In a tiny town, Max found a strange egg in his backyard. It wiggled, it jiggled, then, crack, out popped a baby dinosaur. Roar, it said. Achoo! It sneezed, and every time it sneezed, something went flying. Achoo! Max's dog flew into a tree. Achoo! The mailbox landed on the roof. Achoo! Max zoomed into space with his goldfish. Uh-oh! How do we stop the sneezes? Max shouted. He ran to the fridge and gave Dino a spoon of peanut butter. Suddenly, no more sneezes. Just a big dino burp. Barp! Giggle. Max laughed. Next time, maybe a tissue?